Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the exact device model and Android build number because certification depends on the build. Once done, back up your photos and settings so you can experiment safely. Enable developer options and USB debugging so you can access deeper settings. Make sure Play Services and Google Play Store are updated. Outdated components often trigger certification errors. This first phase establishes a known baseline and gives you the tools needed to make configuration changes reliably. You now diagnose the cause. Check Play integrity and safety net attestation to see if the device is failing checks. If attestation fails, clear Google Play Store and Google Play Services data, then sign back into your account. This often re-registers the device. Use ADB to inspect and, if needed, set the correct Android certification fingerprint or remove apps that modify system signatures. Once done, reboot and run the Play Protect check again to observe changes and confirm progress. Finish by rerunning Play Protect and Safety Net Attestation to verify certification status. If problems persist, perform a factory reset only after backing up, because a fresh state can clear corrupted registration records. Make sure to sign into your Google account and allow Play Services a few minutes to sync. This often finalizes certification. If it still fails, collect logs and try unlinking then relinking your Google account as a troubleshooting tip, because account re-registration can force a new certification handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.